Imagine waking up each day, knowing you don't to work, but only if you to. What if I told you that retiring 10 years early isn't just a dream, it's possible? If you want the freedom to live life on terms, start now because every financial choice you make today can bring you closer to that vision of freedom. Here's the catch. The majority of people miss their window to act, and by the time they realize it, they're stuck in a 9-to-5 cycle. Don't be like the rest. Today, I'm giving you a step-by-step guide to escape the rat race a full decade ahead of schedule. Ready to make some bold moves? To start, let's be clear. This isn't about some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about intentional choices that build a life of independence. The first step to retiring early is realizing the high cost of delaying action. Every month you wait is a month longer you'll need to work. Think about it. Your time is limited, and you're paying with it every day. But here's the exciting part. If you're serious, if you can commit, you're going to be ahead of 95% of people out there. You don't need $1 million in the bank tomorrow, but you do need to create a plan and stick to it. But before we dive in, quick question. How many of you have an actual budget plan right now? If you just rolled your eyes, this is for you. The first critical move is simple but powerful. Imagine your finances as a bucket with tiny holes. The more you spend, the more you leak. So the first step to early retirement is tightening those leaks. If you're spending $5 on a coffee every day, that's $1,825 a year. Think of that as the cost of delaying your freedom. Here's a trick. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer each month to a savings account or a low-risk investment. Treat it as, you'll be surprised at how quickly you can build an emergency fund, which is essential for your financial independence. But savings alone won't get you there. You'll need to grow your money too. The real path to wealth isn't just saving, here's where most people hesitate. Fear of risk. But here's a reality check. Investing is actually riskier. Inflation will quietly erode your savings if you let it sit idle. So how do you overcome that fear? You don't need to bet big. You need to start small, but look into low-cost index funds which mirror the stock market's performance with less risk. Or if you're feeling adventurous, explore ETFs or even fractional shares. Even investing a small percentage consistently can yield results that far outpace inflation. And for those thinking, what if I lose money? Here's a comforting thought. The market has a proven history of rebounding. Play the long game and you'll set yourself up for substantial growth over time. Let's talk about one of the smartest moves in early retirement, multiple income streams. Relying on just one source is like trying to sit on a one-legged stool. If that leg breaks, you're left stranded. So, why not add more legs? Maybe you have a skill you can monetize on the side. Think freelance work, consulting, or even starting a small online business. And don't overlook passive income options, dividends, royalties, rental properties. The idea is to create a financial cushion that's working for you even when you're not. I know it sounds like work now, but isn't it worth it if it means breaking free 10 years earlier? Milestones give you clarity, something to measure against. Without them, retirement can feel like a distant, intangible goal. Start with small targets. Maybe saving your first $10,000, then $50,000, and so on. These milestones keep you motivated and allow you to see real progress toward your end goal. And speaking of end goals, let's talk about what to do once you get there. Now that you've worked so hard to reach early retirement, it's essential to have a vision of what that life will look like. Ask yourself, what would a day in my life be like if I were free to spend it any way I wanted? Picture it, traveling, spending more time with family, investing in a passion, or simply having time to breathe. This vision is what will keep you disciplined through the tougher steps, and when you achieve it, that feeling of freedom will be unmatched. But remember, this isn't just a destination, it's a lifestyle. Staying financially independent means continuing to make wise financial choices, even in retirement. So if retiring early is your goal, start today. Every small action builds toward a life of independence and freedom. And hey, if this video gave you a spark, why not keep the momentum going? Subscribe for more tips on achieving financial freedom, like this video if you found it valuable. And drop a comment if you're serious about your early retirement journey. Because remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now.